Hello guys and welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Before we start, go subscribe to my channel to get more videos on how much your favorite YouTuber earns. And click on the bell icon to get all notifications and never missing any new video. Now let's get started. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by placing ads on their videos. And placing more ads equals more money they can make on their videos. The second thing is CPM. It means the cost per 1,000 views. It's the amount of advertiser pays to have his ad in your video. And they spend on average $4 per 1,000 views. And it's calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where they are watching. Many factors affect the CPM, and it's included demographic, content, gender, time of the watch. YouTube also will take 45% of your ad revenue from the advertising. Now let's go over Sailing Magic Carpet channel analytics. Total subscribers 91,500. Total videos 148 videos. Total views 9 million. Now for the monthly subscribers, 1,200 subscribers every month. Monthly views 263,000. And now for the income. The monthly income will be 263,000 views multiplied by 0.004 equals $1,052 every month. And for the yearly income will be $1,052 multiplied by 12 equals $12,624. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know who the next YouTuber you want me to do next.